First question is, when can the state be called a welfare state? If the government is involved in more government activities, then it is called a welfare state. For example, when the government get involved in many sectors of social life, that is economic, cultural, social, regulatory, etc. Second question, what can be used as an instrument for realization of goals of government? Public administration can be used as an instrument for realization of goals of government. Third question, what is the main function of public administration? The main function of public administration is it should coexist with every political system and fulfill the objectives set by political decision makers. Fourth question, which books of ancient Indian history record many observations about organization and working of government? It is Kautilya's Arthashastra, Mahabharata, and Ramayana are few ancient history books which record observations on organization and working of government. Fifth question, what are the important Western books that contribute to political and administrative issues? Aristotle's Politics and Machiavelli's The Prince are few Western important books that contribute to political and administrative systems. Sixth question, in 18th century, how many types of public administrative systems were developed in the West and what are they? In the 18th century, two types of public administration systems were developed majorly. One is Anglo-American administrative system and the other is French administrative system. Seventh question, what is Anglo-American system of public administration? The Anglo-American system of public administration gives more importance to self-government, citizen participation, spreading of authority over wide area, that is decentralization, responsible administrative system. Now, eighth question is, what is French system of public administration? It is based on concentration of power, that is centralization, domination of national over local governments. Ninth question, now what is the difference between Anglo-American and French types of public administration system? In Anglo-American, it is decentralized form. In French, it is centralized form. In Anglo-American system, importance is given to local government, whereas in French system, domination is more on local government by national governments. And in Anglo-American system, officials are responsible to the public courts, whereas in French system, officials are not responsible to public courts. These are the major differences between Anglo-American type of administrative system and French type of administrative system. Now 10th question, write one of the famous quotation of Woodrow Wilson. There should be a science of administration which shall seek to straighten the parts of government, to make its business less unbusinesslike, to strengthen and purify its organization, and to crown its duties with dutifulness. 11th question, what is the need for public administration? To eliminate corruption, to improve efficiency, to improve service delivery. 12th question, what is politics administration dichotomy? Dichotomy means separation. Now politics administration dichotomy means separation of politics and administration. Wilson is regarded as the originator of the idea of politics administrator dichotomy. Now 13th question, who is regarded as the founder of public administration? Wilson. 14th question, define administration. Administration is a cooperative human effort towards achieving common goals. 15th question, define public administration. It is the action part of government by which the purposes and goals of government are realized. For example, decision making, planning the work to be done, formulating objectives and goals, working with legislature and citizen organizations to gain public support and funds for government programs, establishing and revising organization, directing and supervising employees, providing leadership, communicating and receiving communication, determining work methods and procedures, exercising controls and other functions performed by government executives and supervisors. Thus, public administration is government administration specifically focused on public bureaucracy. 16th question, what are the basic concerns of public administration? One is structures of public organizations, dealing mainly with the way executive organizations are formed, readjusted and reformed. Now the second is administrative processes, denoting the dynamic aspects of organization such as communication, control and decision making. The third concern is bureaucratic behavior with emphasis on the interpersonal and intergroup relationships in organizational settings. The fourth concern is the organization environment interactions. These are some of the basic concerns of public administration. Now 17th question, define public administration as per Rosenblum point of view. Public administration is a politics and a policy making activity. It tends to be concentrated in the executive branch of government and it differs from private administration. It is mainly concerned with implementing law. 18th question, what are the four philosophies of public administration? We have four philosophies which are very important in public administration. One is intuitionist philosophy, second is perfectionism philosophy, third is utilitarianism philosophy, and fourth is theory of justice philosophy. 19th question, what is intuitionist philosophy? Intuition means it is true but can't be explained. The administrator justifies the conflicting situation depending on intuition. That is, he justifies the conflicting situation by knowing the truth, but he can't be explained. So that situation is called intuitionist situation. So giving the justice but can't be proved that it is true. 20th question, what is perfectionism philosophy? It is most important and powerful philosophy in the field of administration. It states that public resources should be spent in such a way that the best members of the society should benefit from the expenditure. 21st question, what is utilitarianism type of philosophy in public administration? Utilitarianism means the belief that the right course of action is the one that will produce the greatest happiness of the greatest number of people. So this philosophy was proposed by Jenny Bentham and John Stuart Mill. According to this philosophy, public interest is served when a public policy makes everyone slightly better off, even though it makes few individuals worse off. 22nd question, what is a theory of justice philosophy? It is proposed by John Rawls. Theory of justice is generally based on two basic principles of justice to test public interest. One is everyone should have equal right to basic liberty, and second is social and economic inequalities are to be arranged so that they both are reasonably expected to everyone's advantage and is also attached to positions and offices open to all. 23rd question, what is the difference between politics and administration as per Frank Goodenough view? According to Frank Goodenough, politics has to do with policies or expressions of the state will, and administration has to do with the execution of these policies. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.